Hello friends, my name is Japneet Kaur. In this video tutorial, we will be talking about variables and how to make them constant. So what is a variable? A variable's value can be anything. We can give x a value, any value we can give. It could be 9, 5, any variable get, can get any value, not only x. If I write C, A, any alphabet I write, any letter, any word. If I write any word like word, I can get that becomes also a variable in Python. Every word can be a variable. Even ABC is a variable. We can create a variable according to our need. Like I'm just telling you about variables. Now let me make this variables a variable. Are you confused? Don't be confused. This piece of word is a variable. If I just make it var, this piece of word is also a variable, means whose value can be anything. I can write even 6 and make it constant. Now its value, now every time its value will be 6. Now let us just print this statement and see. Print var. Now let me run this. It will show 6 because it became a constant. It could be anything. Now let me just equal to input and write value of var equal to. Okay, now let me run this. Now I will be giving it a value by myself only because I'm the user. I'm just using this. So let me just give it a value as 23. It is printing 23 because I have given it a value. I have just changed its value. It became a constant before because I have given it equal to 5. Now it became a constant because I already have given a value to it. So it becomes a constant. Now var is a constant. But before that, that input statement, that input statement was not a constant because user can give any number. Like I'm making a grade 1, that I'm in grade 6. Now I want to print what I want to print, that I'm in which grade. I've given a variable as grade. It is showing 6. Now if I just say that I want the input for that, now it becomes a variable. It is not constant now. Variable, write your grade. Write your grade. So I'm writing like 8. It is printing 8. Now it is not constant. It was constant. It was constant before this I've written input line. It was constant. 6 was okay. So we are done with the variables and constant. That how to make it constant and what are variables. So it's done now. I might think that you know what are variables and how to make them constant now. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel.